Okay, welcome to another review transfans for the Autobot Drift, and with me is OJ. Hi. We're here at where are we? Francis Square, St. Francis Square, the third floor, and we're just gonna do a quick review of the Autobot Drift. So you know the packaging already, the details. It's on a bubble card. And I guess you guys know already his stats and his tech specs. Okay, so basically it is a deluxe figure. OJ got it for how much is this? 500 pesos, so that's like $10. So underneath this card is the thrust, Decepticon thrust. That is also an assortment for the deluxe class. So we're gonna open this toy. Open this, man. Okay, take it easy now. Okay, so he's gonna remove the cards and well, let's check out the details here. Okay, so this is the deluxe class Autobot Drift. First appeared in War for Cybertron. No, wrong, sorry. All Hail Megatron. So we got the instruction manual and the catalog. So just wanna check it out here. Yeah, that's one cool robot. So I'm gonna remove this on the wiring right now. Sorry about this, I don't have a tripod with me, so OJ will do the extra hands. Not where. Here we go. Yeah, boy. So there's a Japanese name on this on the side of the doors. This car. It's a sports car, colored in white with red stripes, and let's give you a 360 look on the car itself. Futuristic and underneath. Okay, so and he comes with a sword, okay, which can be attached underneath. Yeah, boy, that's the one. Okay, so wall. Okay. It's basically colored white with stripes, Japanese stripes. Okay, so OJ will transform this vehicle right about now. So it removes the sword, and well, we're not gonna read the manual, so it's like a high-speed contest right here. So he flips the doors open. I don't know what's he gonna do. Wow, he's so fast. It's crazy. Okay. Go, go, go! He flips the front end of the car. I'm sure you guys are wondering what we do when we buy our Transformers. We don't really look at the manual. We just transform it directly without looking at the manual. See, like the sword. Ah, crap. Maybe you should give up now. Or you should try using the manual right now. See? Manual. Okay. Damn, these legs are hard. Wow, that's fast. Maybe you need reference.
The legs. and I am impressed.
Look at the box already. Nice. Can OJ do it without using up all our 15 minutes or video? That's what we gotta find out.
Come on. There you go. How did I do that again?
I don't know. You should ask yourself, man.
There you go.
Okay, so is that it? Wow, it's like a minute. Okay, so where are these knives?
First off, let's have this big. No, grab it right here.
So there you have it.
This is sword.
There you go. Okay, so we have now drift in robot mode, and we'll give it 3. OJ was tired. Okay, let's give you a 360 look at the robot. I know it's improperly transformed, but that's okay. He got it in the box, as you see here, and well, he has 2 swords, so it's in there. So there's 2 swords, the dual swords that he has. You can put the sword at the back of his robot body. Yeah. Okay, so you can see that, and you can pull up the swords from the sides. Yeah, boy, that's nice. Overall, it's a neat toy. You don't need any manual if you're really into Transformers. Yep. So what do you rate this thing? 4 out of 5?
Yeah, the legs are a little too hard to transform.
So there you have it. So you just get your Autobot Drift, and it's sold at your nearest Kmart, Walmart, Target, or Toys R Us in the US. It is also available here in the Philippines for 700 pesos. That's like $14. And well, not 14, sorry, it's $7. Or I guess I'm not good with math. So 500 is like $10. So there you have it. So this has been Mark and OJ for GeekMatic, and see you around.